Hi, today I'm going to go over the pointers in C++. So I'm just going to comment out the C string you did last time, and then I'm just going to create a divider. I'm going to name it pointers. Now, what is pointers? Pointers are on data that points to another data and edits them. And the pointers are or you could say data that um data that references another data's memory and edits their values. um and there's also a dereference, which is a asterisk. There's dereference, which is an asterisk, and there's reference, which is an ampersand. So let's implement the pointers. Let's use an integer for this. Say int pointer starts with an asterisk. Say int ptr. Now we can't set pointer equals to a value like we did a regular data type, because int pointer is actually equal to null or a null pointer. So in order to set it equal to another value, we must well, let's see, we can do this, and then let's say cout and pointer and line. Let's run this program, and there would be an error. We can do this, but only after we've set it equal to another data. So let's create another data. Let's call this int1 equals 2, int2 equals 3. And now we want to set the pointer to integer 1. Now we can't set, let's remove int2. Now we can't set the pointer equal to integer 1, because the pointer must be set to a data's memory location. So let's use the ampersand sign, and that's going to set the pointer to the integer's memory location. And if we just use cout and int pointer, we're just going to get a bunch of numbers and letters. That's because it's only going to display the memory location, and then we must dereference it in order to retrieve the value of the value or data from the memory location. So let's run this program, and here we get 2. Then if we were to set the pointer equal to a value, the value in the integer 1 is going to change as well, because they're going to change to 1, 2, 3 instead of 2, because end pointer is now a part of the integer's memory location, and when it changes, it's going to affect the int and the integer and the int1 memory location, or the data in the int1. Let's see. I think this is it for the pointers. And oh, hold on. Oh, yes. This is it for the pointers, and thank you for watching.